We're excited to announce that Plan to Eat is now available for both iOS and Android. If you already have an account with the Plan to Eat website, log into your account in the app, and all of your recipes and meal plans will be waiting for you. If you're new to Plan to Eat, welcome. Simply create an account and let's get started. Plan to Eat is free for the first 30 days. There's no credit card required to start your free trial, and no obligation if you decide that Plan to Eat is not for you. At the end of your free trial, you'll have the option to start an annual subscription for $39 or a monthly subscription for $4.95. Plan to Eat is a place for you to collect and organize your recipes. Whatever your eating preferences, wherever you like to get your recipes, however you like to cook, you can collect recipes that are perfect for you, from anywhere. Customize them however you like, and collect them all right here. Recipes that you find online can be added by copying the URL, navigating back to the Plan to Eat app, and selecting the Import Recipe from Web option. Paste the URL into the import box, and the recipe will be brought into your Plan to Eat account. Once the recipe imports, double-check all of the information to make sure that it imported correctly and press Save to add the recipe. You can also manually add recipes with the Add a Recipe by Hand feature. Photos will help you keep your recipe book organized. To add or change the image on any recipe, simply add a photo from your photo library or take a new one. Once you have a few recipes, it's time to add them to your calendar to create a meal plan. Click the three-dot menu on the recipe you would like to plan and select Add to Planner to bring up the calendar. Select the day and the meal, then press Add. You'll see a note confirming when you planned the recipe. When you go to your planner, you'll see the recipe planned in your calendar. You can also plan a recipe directly on the planner by pressing the date, then selecting one or more recipes and a mealtime. Selecting a planned recipe will give you the options to reschedule, duplicate, or remove that recipe from your planner. Adding notes to your planner can be a helpful way to indicate something special about a certain day. This can be things like leftovers or eating out. Notes will not affect your shopping list. However, ingredients that are added to your planner will appear on your shopping list as an item. This can be simple things that aren't recipes and usually accompany a meal like bananas or orange juice. Each recipe has a serving size which can be scaled up or down depending on the size of your household. As you make adjustments, the quantity of ingredients will be scaled up or down accordingly. When you add this recipe to your planner, Plan to Eat will assume that you are cooking for that number of servings. Once a recipe is on your planner, you can also scale it up or down by selecting the recipe and editing the planned servings. This will alter the quantities of this recipe for this one time on your planner, but will not alter the original recipe. This is useful for situations such as cooking for additional dinner guests. The cooking view is an easy way to view your recipes while in the kitchen. The overview will list your instructions in a scrollable list, while the step-by-step instructions will show them one at a time. Simply scroll through the recipe as you are cooking and follow along with the instructions. With your recipes on your planner, your shopping list will be made for you automatically by selecting a range of dates that you would like to shop for. The ingredients from any planned recipe that falls within those dates will be added to your list. Items can be checked off your list as you shop. Pressing the pencil icon to the right of the item will show the details of that item, including what recipe it's in and the date of when it's planned. Having an efficient shopping list will get you in and out of the store quickly. Your shopping list can be customized to any store where you like to shop, and any categories within those stores. Press the three-dot menu at the top of your shopping list to customize your stores or categories. Shopping list items can be manually added to your list by pressing the Add New Item button at the bottom of the shopping list and filling in the item information. As you use Plan to Eat more and more, the store and category will be filled in for you based on the store and category you used the last time you purchased this item. The Staples list is a place to store items that you purchase frequently and want to remember when you are making your shopping list, but will not show up in your shopping list because they aren't ingredients and recipes. Your Staples list can be customized to anything you like, but typically includes things like trash bags, paper towels, or shampoo. Before heading to the store, take a quick look through your Staples list to add any item you might otherwise forget to your shopping list. All of your recipes, planned menus, and shopping lists are also available online at plantoeat.com. Simply log into your account in any web browser. Having everyone gathered around a nutritious meal won't happen without a plan, and we'd love to help you make it happen. It's time to eat real food. It's time to eat together. plantoeat.com.